Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay Washington State tolls. Log in to GoodToGo account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type mygoodtogo.com and press enter. Wait for the GoodToGo website to fully load. Find the Sign In or Login button on the top of the page. Click the Sign In or Login button. On the login screen, click inside the username or email field. Type the email address or username you used when you created your account. Click inside the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase letters and symbols. If you cannot remember your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. After entering your login details, click the Sign In button. If a security code is requested, check your email or phone for the code. Enter the security code on the website and continue. Once you are logged in, look for a menu option like Pay Toll, Make a Payment, or Payments. Click the Pay Toll or Make a Payment option. Choose whether you want to pay a current balance, a past due notice, or add money to your account. If you are paying a specific toll bill or notice, enter the notice number exactly as shown on the letter. Confirm that your vehicle and license plate information displayed on the screen is correct. Select your payment method, such as credit card, debit card, or bank account, if available. If you are adding a new card, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Type the billing address exactly as it appears on your card statement. Review the payment amount and make sure it matches what you want to pay. Check for any convenience fees or processing details shown before you submit. Click Review, Continue, or Next to see the final confirmation screen. Double-check all details, including the amount, account, and payment method. Click Submit Payment or Pay Now to complete the transaction. Wait for the confirmation page and take a screenshot or save the receipt number for your records. If you want, turn on auto pay or set up replenishment so future tolls are covered automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.